Now, nothing beats fresh burgers. You buy a giant package like this, which is 3.5 pounds, and this is about, I don't know, it was $3.50 a pound, on sale $2.50. So that's a pretty good price. Way more than I need to make burgers, but you can use half of it, and then the rest of it you can use for meatloaf or tacos, or you can use it for whatever you want. So I want to make 3 adult-sized burgers and then 2 kid-sized burgers. The first thing I want to do is I just want to estimate these patty sizes, and that feels about right. These are big. It's about, I don't know, maybe 3/4 pound, half pound. And then the kids, these small. They don't need a lot. The key is you want to make them, first make the round ball, and then you want to season them afterwards. So making a fist, just like that, like so, round it like that, like you're doing meatballs. 1, 2, 3. These are giant. Press it down. Round, around, around. And then for seasoning, keep it simple. The less you do, the better it is, because then you put it with toppings and stuff. And I already got toppings going. For burgers, red onion, sliced tomato, leftover bacon. And I use romaine. Whole leaves are better. Just like this. So now, like giant meatballs, right? Perfectly round, and then you can flatten them out, right? And you kind of just keep your thumb along the side, and you kind of use your butt of your hand there to hammer it out. You want the center to be thinner than the rest, right? Your thumb to support the outside. Keeps its composure, integrity of the burger, and you press down the middle. You end up with a nice patty. So I do that for these, and then when you're done, you can either season it on the spot, or you can do it like this, where you already have your pepper and salt ready to go. I don't recommend anything more than that. Just the pepper and salt like that, both sides. Grill it up to your liking. That's it.